What's the deal? What goes on?
Just give me the line.
Oh, whoops.
Introducing the star of our show.
How's everybody doing? What it do? Some volume. No, we don't. Oh, damn. We barely moved. We barely moved the whole morning. Damn. So, let's see what we got going on. The daily has closed massively bullish, but we opened up with a top wick. Closed bullish at resistance. Opened up with a top wick. This could get interesting today. There's a resistance and a support at the top of this ranges here. But what are we mirroring? What are we mirroring on the daily? Let's drop some levels. So we'll go back to the daily to see what we're mirroring here. Ooh, is there news? 10 a.m. Okay. So let's lock in here. That blasted right through here. Came up, I think once this pulled back, that was a decent entry. Wow, where's this volume coming from? Very, very interesting. Yeah. I'm gonna take a sell right here, right where we just tapped. 6385. 6385. I'm taking a sell. That was interesting. I think we have some range to fill here on this bottom wick. Stick an entry right here. And we're gonna have a pineapple pretty soon with this volume. Okay, there it goes. There's our pineapple taking a sell right there. Just took a sell, 64.8. We have volume. Closing full right there, 41 pips. W. 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 Fucking W. 41 pips, baby. All right, let's call it a session. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Same. Let's go. W. 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 Oh man, I love trading. I've been here for less than 5 minutes. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I mean, I was gonna do an analysis, but then I was like, fucking analysis. We're moving. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Oh shit, this thing's done. I don't even want to trade. I just want to go back to sleep. But we need some content. So let's fucking trade. Yeah, 8:30 closure. Hold on, let me mark that off. 41 pips. Win number 383. This is where we close, right? Where we are right now, that's where we closed. W. Incredible. What a start to the morning. What an end to the week. What a start to the new year. Price move 10 pips. Well, let's count it. $21. Okay, this moved 21, and there's 2 positions on here. Double the entries, right? And then this moved 12, and there's 2 positions on this entry. So in those 4 positions, when we got to here, the combined total was 41 pips. Right? Because we do the combined between the positions. Because if I was in drawdown and closed somewhere in the middle, we would count the combined total of all the positions for total pips, right? So why wouldn't we count the combined total when it goes in my favor, right? Why do we count the combined total only for losses to make them bigger, but not for wins? So we're going to count the combined total for wins just like for losses. And the combined total for wins just now was 41 pips. Because if I took an extra position and I took a loss on it, you would say, well, the second position lost 20 pips and the first position lost 30, so you lost a total of 50. Well, the same thing, we're gonna count the same way for wins. People hate it when you're winning. They just want you to count losses. They don't want you to count your wins. And you should be like, no, fuck the losses. I'm immune to the loss. I don't count those. Those aren't part of the count. Only the wins. 30 minutes. Yes, lovely 30-minute. Wow, what an opening. What an opening. This is entry. I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell, gang. Took a sell on the top wick here. What did my entry come out to? 4.2. Oh, it came out a bit lower. It's an interesting 30. I mean, we would take an entry here regardless. Yeah, let's get rid of this. This entry is right here. All right, closing full right here for 12 pips on the flip. 12 pips just closed as we. So another sell plus 12. I just want to get to 50 and call it a day. Ooh, and there it goes even further. $12 pippies, 12 pippies, 12 pippies. I closed as we flipped. Thank you for reminding me it was a 30-minute closure. I was just talking. It's a really good closure here. If we get it, remember what I talk about all the time. If we get that heavy push, if we can get that top wick back into range with the entry, this way, if we're wrong and it starts coming up, next candle will get the bottom wick to support. But if we're right, we got a super position because we're breaking down into the next range. Chances of us coming back up into this range become very low, right? So this is the entries you want to take, right? This is the entries you want to take. You want to take them above the range after the market closed below the range, or vice versa. You want the heavy push down and the top wick back in the range for you to take it so it drives you out of it. Those are the highest quality positions that I find for myself. Not that those get the biggest wins, those get the least amount of losses. Chat, that was win number 60 in a row. That's 60 straight wins. We are at 60 straight wins. Let's make it 100 straight. I don't think that's ever been done. I don't think 100 straight's been done. We spent a long time on the charts looking for a position. Was it yesterday or was it on Tuesday? We spent a few hours looking for a position, but we got it. I think it was on Tuesday. I think it was on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. Or was that yesterday? I don't know. My days are all over the place. People at the Zoom door? Yeah, I just let them in. Thank you. Yes, Tuesday, 14 positions. Yes. Yes. Wow, what a fucking day. What a great morning. What a beginning to the day. And we don't have to do anything else this week, gang. We got over 50 pips on stream here in 10 minutes. We've been streaming for 10 minutes. Been trading 4 years, became profitable 6 months ago, still trading gold positions like back in days with 70% win rate, came back to watching you, and now 88%. Thanks, W. That's W. That's that 88% win rate. People don't do that shit. That's not normal. You're an exception to the rule. I heard a fart. Fuck. Only I'm on the mic here. And I did not fart. Came back from a 70 pip loss last night. Yeah, that's confidence building. That's very confident should start having little games or react to things for content when we have early days like that. Yeah, when I have a more engaged chat, right, or a more engaged Zoom, maybe. But at this rate, Kenny's knocking everybody out with the smoke. People just walking in. Hey, Wix. just dropping. Need to do the giveaway today. No giveaway today. There will be a giveaway. I'll do it on Monday because I gotta post something for you guys to comment on. Look at the hourly. The hourly is beautiful. Look at that. I get the same entry on the hourly right now too. Or the 30 pushes through. And then you finish out the range. It'll be your job to finish out the range. So level right here, correct? Boom. Give me 1 second, gang. Held the first position, secured over 60 pips. Yeah, great job. Yesterday was close your eyes and buy. Today is close your eyes and sell. I'm waiting on this 1 hour close. Regardless of what happens, I don't really care at this point. We've played this range, we've played the top wick here. It's filled the range. Let's. Oh man, there's so much to play here. You can literally play every pullback because it's bearish volume. This candle is not gonna flip bullish. You understand? So you can technically map out all your resistances and say, all right, there's almost no chance this candle flips bullish. If it does flip bullish, I have 18 minutes till the 4-hour close or till the hourly closure, right? And look at this hourly. The hourly would have to ride back up 150 pips to flip. Chance of this happening are almost slim to none, right? In the next 18 minutes, 150 pips. It can happen maybe if you have like a news drop, right? Or a Trump tweet about some ridiculous shit. But even if he does that, it'll typically plummet instead of driving up, right? So oh yeah, so what I was saying, so you can technically map out every resistance on your way down, and as you smash those resistances, once you pull back to them, you can start taking entries. And you don't have to wait for the top wicks of the next candles, right? As long as the candles are like heavy driving candles. What am I doing? It's the wrong thing. Smoking the wrong thing. There we go. Would you look for something in this 15? No, I'm not looking for anything. I've played the 30. I've played the 5. I'm going to wait this point for the 1. I honestly don't even want to trade. We fucking destroyed the beginning of the new year. Like, it's... Trump tweets, I want to buy new gold toilet. In the market for a little bit of gold. From what I noticed with Trump, gold likes to go down with Trump. Because he tends to bring stability or more stability than into the markets, not specifically for gold. He's volatile, especially when he tweets, right? And the market could just, market could fly because of uncertainty when he does some random shit, right? Or just like assassinates a random person. But overall, when there's not much news and Trump's getting shit done, you'll typically see the market slowly coming down or driving down. Yeah, you'll see the market coming down, and then he tweets like I don't know, we're gonna confiscate everybody's dogs and shit like that, so people don't eat them no more, and then like markets fly. We're confiscating the dogs. They're doing a good job not eating any of the dogs. They're still eating the cats. We're sending all the cats to China. China. Satire. Oh no, man. Oh no. I like cat legs. Yeah, we got a red folder at 10. We don't care. Whoa, we do not care. Hey, is there anyone else streaming today? There's no other streamers out, right now. What's a Callisto? Is that like a calisthenics dude that streams? What's a Callisto? Tanja. Oh, Tanya. Yeah, that's the girl. That's the girl. That's why people watch her. Yo, Wix, when are you planning on taking your holiday if it's not too private? In about a month? Hopefully, I don't know. When you taking a vacation so we can plan hours? I'm thinking of, like, I don't know, I'm probably not gonna stream because I'm gonna be traveling, but I think the signals will still be live. I'm trying to think before I dip, I'm gonna go get like a 4090 laptop. Yeah, I think I might go buy a laptop, bring it with me. Bro was gonna make all the jokes when you're gone. You get a ghostwriter. Get a ghostwriter for the morning jokes. It's a vacation. Yeah, I'm gonna be gone max probably like 2 weeks. Yeah, I'll let you know when and where I'll be. For sure. Maybe we could plan something. Wow. What a great morning. What a great start. We played every available opportunity for now. Hey, it's all right. We streamed through the holidays. What a holiday season it was. Wix, why didn't you take the 15-minute wick entry? Still has no bottom wick. Because we've played this range already. We've played it. I'm not gonna play this range till the hourly closes. I see a move from up here down to here, but once we've played this range, I see, you know, we're mirroring. Typically, we come down the same way we come up, right? So let's look at our. Hold on, let me pull up my annotations. All right. So we've come up from here to here. Now we are coming down from this area, most likely, to here, right? How did we do it? Market came up to here, back, and then drove, right? Same thing here. We've just come on down to this area. So for us to get to this area, we most likely have to tap this area again in order to mirror that drive down, the drive up on the way down. Right? So I would look for a resistance to hold here for that mirror to be created and start heading down. And then once you start heading down to here, you can say, all right, we're finishing out the range, right? Because this is decision-making time at this area right here. Right, so the market is going to have a choice either to mirror our way down, or it's going to hold this area, right? And if it holds this area, we can mirror the way up, but it's going to make that decision from here. And once it makes this decision down or up, it's either going to close bullish back in range, or we're going to get a big reaction here as we did on the way up, and we're going to break down. Whoops, wrong color. Right, we're gonna break down. So you're gonna see either this candle print, or you're gonna see a bullish candle back in range right here. This one that we were just talking about. Right, this is decision time right here. Now, if it makes this decision to come up, we'll look for this mirror right here. Oops. Look for this mirror, how it comes up here. If it makes the decision to come down, we will look for this mirror. and finish out the range. Okay. What size pineapple? Same size. Every position is the same size. Yeah, gold did give some nice pushes after stream. I did. Remember yesterday I said I'm not gonna trade in the morning after the stream because my kids were waiting on me, so I had to do a lot of things. I had to run to the gym, I had to go to the park with my kids or for a bike ride with them, and then I had to go to my parents' house and help my pops clear some stuff out. Yeah, my dad's gonna be 70 next week, next Friday. So he's having like a big party. Like people from all over the world are flying in to see him. So it's just helping him set stuff up. Yeah, I was really busy yesterday. What's my age again? What's my age again? I took her out. It was a Friday night. I work alone to get the feeling right. We started making out, then she took off my pants, and then I turned on the TV, and that's about the time she walked away from me. Nobody likes it when you're 43. My dad cried when we threw him a surprise party. Yo, no, my dad knows that everyone's coming. Past 60K fibers today, that's a W. Bro, you look 35, I'm 40. I'm 39, I'm not 40. 39. 39. Shit, I shave, I look 29. Let's take the 15, we just discussed it. This is decision making time right here at this area. We're gonna need to see the market either come up or come down off this area. There's no trades here. Started trading at 31. No, I started trading at 34. 33. 33. I started trading. Yeah, I started at 33. Some of you guys are like 20 years old and you're already like a few years in. Like, it's crazy to me how far ahead you guys have the potential to be. Need to rich get, bro? Okay, Yoda. Six years in the making. Doesn't come randomly. I am now 23. Yeah. Incredible. At 23, I was thinking about the cats. 15 closes like this, back up into that higher range after bouncing off this support. No, I'm not looking. If 15 closes like this, I will look here. Right? I'll say, holy shit, look at that 15 closure above the range, closing just like this one. Right? So it's going to be key here how we close. Because this 15, bottom wiki, top of the range. All right, 3 minutes here, 3 minutes. Give me a second. I want to step outside, take my daily pull. Anyone going to the gym today? It's a pull day for me. Taking nothing but heavy pulls. I'm on a treadmill right now doing legs. Nah, it's a pull day for me. I'm doing lungs. I'm doing lungs today. Gotta do a set right now. 1, 2, 3. Full extension right there. Hold it, hold it. Nice. 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 Really get that. Some of this wick down is going to get filled. I just don't know how much. 5, 7 pips or 70 pips. Yeah, look at this 30 leg candle. If it closes below, top wick would make sense. Top wick sell, but it's got to close below. Like that, yeah. Where's our music? Oof. This is what you don't want to see. You don't want to see a bottom wick first here after that heavy bullish closure. I'm sorry, the heavy bullish closure on the 15. So what I need for sells, I need more candles. For buys, I need more candles. I need more candles to print here. You're 85, baby, too? Me too. September 85. Wasn't buys from 45.50? Sheesh. Generally, I've seen it melts from 55 areas to 44. 90 out of 100 times we see 52 getting tapped. This pullback, I got 50 pips together. That's incredible. Yeah, if you're able to find a read on there. And the key is, are you able to repeat it, right? As long as you can repeat that with a similar result, you can start making that a part of your part of your arsenal. Son's birthday September 10th. Born on 9/10/11. Wow. (6'2", 370-pound 13-year-old. Can I adopt him? I've been looking for a baby like that. I've been looking for a baby with those with those stats for a while, dog. I need me a baby like that. I'm trying to have season tickets to some NFL games. Trying to get locker room access. Blindside the shit out that baby. Damn it. Thank you. Repeated it more than 20 times with 3 stops hit of 25 pips with TP of 52. So I got a good back and forth. That's incredible. It's a 1-2 RR. And that's a really high win rate. Right? That's over 85% win rate. Yeah, welcome everybody. Welcome to our OTA meetings. Right? This is our Overtraders Anonymous meetings. The way the 4-hour open, how likely is it to drop back down at this point? Well, you got to see a smaller time frame hold resistance here, right? You're at resistance, you need bearish closures. So if you get a bearish closure at this level, it goes up significantly. Got out. Nail biter. Ugh. Five closed bearish, yeah, but this was a 15 bullish closure, right? It's probably one of 15 bearish. You just want a heavy pull down. You don't really want the bearish candle. I think, if you're stuck in sells, you also want a heavy push down. When we close like this, you'll typically see the next candle. If it doesn't create a top wick to break down, it'll trickle down. So we might see something like this. Right, so you're gonna wait for these bearish closures to see if you can finish out the range down. stuck in cells. See, this wick's got to be filled partially, but like I said, we have this up to here and up to here, or down to here, down to here. So it could be, like I said, a 7-pip wick fill, which was this, 11, or it could be the whole thing here for like 70 pips, 7 or 70. Wicks, can I say something out of your permission? No. Oh, well, you did, I guess. Same will also happen at 35.50. If it melts and goes there from 35.50, we'll go up to 42.50 at least. Okay. It's 250 pips below us, but if it starts happening, we'll go back to your message. People at the Zoom door, come on in. Yeah, we're waiting on this candle to print. So, since I didn't get to step outside and smoke. Oh shit, that's a W. Nick, is that the account you won? Nice. So you're running that up. You won the contest and you're running that account up? That's a W. Yeah. Yeah, just be diligent. I don't think there should be an issue. Yeah. W. All right, let's see if we're gonna get this trickle down. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? I'm waiting on this 15 to print regardless. 1530. You think if Camo won Kamala won, gold would have been at 3K? I think if Kamala won, we'd be getting drafted right now, getting ready for World War III. Wait, what? 2649, 2640. Oh, you're on XAU charts. All right, you're scaring me. Vest would have pushed down, breaking the lows of the 30-minute bullish candle, right? Yeah, if we can break these lows and start closing below there, yeah, there's more range to 53 for us to take. Right now, it's forming a range. It's formed already because it came up and it came down. Snom Golem, Snom Golem. Snom Shastim. She's against every country. If she wins. Well, she didn't win. Yeah. I told you guys, if women were leaders of every country in the world, there would be no wars. It would just be a whole bunch of countries mad at each other. I'm not talking to you. But we got these trades. Nope. Not talking to you. Talk to my tariffs, because the ears aren't listening. They be getting together at the G7 summit, talking about which tampons are the best. It's wild. North Korea's a hoe. Word. I don't talk to that bitch either. Really, how about Europe with our women leaders? Yeah, but they're surrounded by men. There's like a few women. If it was like all women, nah. Nothing's getting done. And we're going to get rid of taxes on all the Birkins bags. No more taxes on purses. Oh yeah, taxes, video games, taxes are going up. You kidding me? If it was all women in charge, you are getting a 200% tax on every PlayStation. Maybe now you listen. Imagine all of them had PMS at the same time. I heard that women, when they hang out together, they start getting their periods at the same time, right? So, like, I don't know. It's like a physiological, biological thing. I don't know what happens, but like they start getting them at the same time, right? So imagine all the world leaders. It'll be like 1 week a month we would have a war. It's just oh, it's World War III week already? We were just there 4 weeks ago. Damn it. All right. Fuck. Once a month it'd be World War III. And then three weeks of the Cold War, back to World War III. As a woman, I have to admit, the shit you say is dumb. As the host of the New York session, I have to admit some of the shit I say is really dumb. But you speak Japanese? You speak Japanese? I gotta keep you guys away from taking stupid fucking trades. So at this moment, we're on women leaders. Thanks, SL. Appreciate that. Japanese, not Japanese, Japanese. Damn, I knew it. Look at the women. Look at the women banding together here already. Look at the women just having each other's back already. Yeah. Well, if you think some of the shit I say is dumb, think about some of the shit I almost say. Six 5 feminist. Well, you know, my girl doesn't think I say dumb shit, but I think I say dumb shit sometimes here because it's just for the sake of jokes, for the sake of laughter. So don't be offended. It's just I'm just some random guy on the YouTubes talking shit because we gotta waste time. How come you didn't take a sell on the 15? The previous 15 closed with no bottom wick here. The 3 women following you just unsubscribed. Fuck, what are we gonna do now? Damn it. I think my funny capital is spent. I'm going to smoke a joint. I got a refill. I got a refill on the Satire. We need what on stream? You need to go watch Tanya. Tanja. Tanya ICT scammer, you mean? Exactly. That's exactly who I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm about 7 years into these dreads. Yeah, about 7 years. I started, fun fact, I started growing my dreads pretty much the same time I started trading. About roughly at the same time. You know where it came about from? The initial conversation, we were at a Stephen Marley concert, my girl, and it was like a whole bunch of dudes with dreads, and I was like, yo, that's pretty dope. I was bald at the time. I was completely bald. And my girl was like, nah, you're not gonna be able to do that. It's gonna take you a long time. I was like, oh yeah? Watch me. I didn't cut my hair for 7 years since then. Typical Russian hairstyle, bald? No, typical over 50 hairstyle. Imagine wicks with a fade. I have pictures of me with fades. Most Americans' hairstyle is bald too. I don't think that's a style. I think that's just like you wait a little while and then everybody gets to it. I don't even know. I might have a picture of me bald somewhere. Let's see. Let's see. Oh man, chat. That's a wild picture. Who wants to see Wicks with cornrows? Damn, that's crazy. I can't believe I got this picture here. Damn, that's wild. Yeah, I can't share that. Want to see Wicks with cornrows? Want to see Wicks with cornrows? Here. That's a funny picture. Hold on. Here, I got you. Here, Wicks with cornrows. Can you see it? Wait. Look like a high school pic? No, that's 2019. Cell block 15. That's where I met. That's where I met the one and only. That's where Don Vo and I met. All right, 30s come down here. Looking to close bearish. We got about 5 minutes. Cornrows look good on you? Yeah, but it's a lot more maintenance than the dreadlocks. Because you gotta, you know, your hair grows out, you gotta get them redone like every other week or every week. There you go. Jay held and closed for profits, right? Because he held logically. Good job, Jay. Yeah. Stay stoic, you know, think logically. Use your brain. It's not about how many pips you're down at the moment. It's about the probability of your trade going in your direction. And you were still ahead, even though that 15 closed bullish and the 1 hour came up to close bullish. Or the 30 came up to close bullish. The higher time frames were still in your favor. Looks like I saw a sick ass gadget for dreadlocking. You put your dread inside and it does it by itself. It doesn't work. It only works with with really nappy hair. I know what you're talking about. What it does with Caucasian hair is it rips it apart. So if I put I know the machine, it's like a little buzzer and with a hoop on top, and you put the lock straight through it like this, right? And you just go up and down and it locks it by itself because it got needles that are just in that little hoop that just go and they poke through it, right? Little hook needles. That's the one, yeah. The problem with that is it's good to start locking hair, but if your hair is already locked and if you have Caucasian hair, what it does, those needles, they rip up your hair. I've been to, so the girl that does my hair, right, that maintains it, she's got one of those, and she showed it to me on somebody else's hair. She was like, it's just gonna rip it apart. And she had a strand, a lock, right, that she connects to people's hairs if they need to, And she showed it to me. She's like, look, Caucasian hair, what it does. And it poked right through it, and it created a whole bunch of holes in the hair, in the lock. So it chewed it up instead of locking it. You know, because those machines, they just have the one size fits all needle instead of like a nice hook needle, instead of a nice crochet needle. Minutes here for the 30. The tough thing is, look, we've come down and we've bounced off a support and we've reflipped bullish on this 15 again. So it's held support again. We didn't really break the lows here. We bounced exactly off of it. So, right, what we know, created a support. Once it creates resistance, it'll fill the range, which is what it has done here already. So that edge is gone, right? Right. We also understand that. Wait, where is it? We also understand that once the previous hourly closed, high probability that we fill a large portion of the previous wick, at least down to the next support. We've done that, right? No advantage there, right? Gold retested the lows it made. That's gone, right? That edge is gone. So you've filled the range, held it, and you're still in the range, right? You've created the range, you filled the range, and now you held the range. You're going to need more candles. You need to get out of this 64 to 58 area. Great closure, Jay. Why do you need the holes? The machine needs the hole to put the hair through, and then the hoop that holds your hair has needles in it, and you press a button and the needles start poking right through your lock to start locking it. So just you move the hole up and down like this, and the needles inside it just lock the hole up. Maybe wrong question asked, but what happens if you shave your head completely? Like, will new hair be the same or different? I'll be the same, but whoever shaved it for me will probably be very different. They'll probably be very dead. They will definitely look different. Straight up, you touch my hair, you better run, goddammit. You wash your hair once a week? No, I wash my hair almost every day. Yeah. This shit smells luxurious, bro. Smells like your favorite shampoo. $15-minute a lit candle? No. The body is bigger than the wick. I know 30 closed, weak, bearish. Will we come back up or will we trickle down? We're pretty much in the same position that we were at the start of the hourly, right? Well, we spoke about this earlier, where this is the decision area. This is where the market's going to have to decide, are we mirroring the move down or the move up? And then we'll hop on. Solid? No, it's moving. I mean, look, it's moving up out of the range now. Like, it's moving through ranges. Come down, fill the range, come up now. Like, based on that closure, though, it held resistance, right? on the 30? Why didn't it drive up on the previous candle, right? You'd expect this one to still come down, re-break the lows, but if it doesn't, that's why you're waiting on a closure for the market to tell us if it will or it won't. Is this a 1 hour slip? Yeah, it's a 1 hour flip right there. 1 hour flip bullish. But will the 1 hour flip bullish and come right back down bearish? Highly likely. So we have to wait for this closure. Just because it flipped bullish doesn't mean it's a bullish drive. We've seen this plenty of times when we were in positions here and the candle flips bullish against us. That doesn't mean it's the drive. This hourly could still close right here. That's a leg candle, and next candle probably top wick, and you're filling the wicks down again. So a lot depends on how this next 30 prints. There's most likely no entries here on the next 30, on this current 30, because of the way it's printed so far. Can you explain how you and when you trade before the closure? When I see us pushing heavy with structure, right? So if we decided to plummet down here with structure, right? If we do something like this, right? Whenever this candle is forming, it does this, right? It comes down, forms a wick. So as it starts coming down, right? And you're seeing this happen. This heavy push down. As it comes back up after it broke everything and it starts tapping previous resistances with volume, with direction, momentum, you'll most likely bounce off that previous resistance. And for that, I start looking left and I start saying, where did we bounce from? Okay, this is the area we came down heavy from. We're still above it. This is an area we've respected as resistance. We have these wicks over here, so I'll probably go like this, right? This support matches with these wicks that came down, so previous support that could now turn into resistance. And I say to myself, all right, as the market is doing, right? As the market is doing this, I know we're highly likely to retest the lows, so as it does that and pulls up, I will take an entry right here. And if it pulls up heavier, I'll take an entry right here. Because it would take a lot of candles for us to now start moving bullish. It would take 2 or 3 more candles that'll give us a chance to manage risk. If for some weird reason the shit wants to do, it wants to do this, right? Yo, sorry, my mouse is jumping. So yeah, for some reason it wants to come back up like this. This would be a lot of work. The candle would then look like this. The higher time frame. Right, this would be a lot after breaking these lows. The chances of this happening are very slim. So that's where I'll start taking entries on here. And sometimes it does pull back steeper into the range. Like look right here, pull back all the way up to here, but you're still ahead even as it pulled back over there. Right, until the range is filled again, like it did here, and then held. Right, then you're not ahead. Now as you start coming back up here, now you're behind. Probability is different now. But I only do that with structure and with volume. Outside of that, I'll typically wait for candles to close and give us the wicks. Yeah, their periods would sync up. I didn't see that message, Jay. Sync up. Word. They enter a room together and just click the sync button. Why don't you trade XAU USD no more? My broker doesn't take on anymore US clients. or no longer accepts US clients. Alright, you see, highly likely we're going to still flip and come down. Because we didn't have a closure above here. I said it a minute ago, right? If we were going to come up here, why didn't this candle close above? It had a chance, right? Did wick above. So it held resistance, even though price is coming up. I'm funded with Fivers, but got an FTMO account now. And a Fivers account, right? Since you're funded. Alright, let this candle do something, because right now we're at the same price where it started on the hourly. Yo, what up, Ikey? What's the deal? How are you? Trade XRP? No. But I'm a big fan. I'm a big believer in XRP. And I believe they're going to be around for a long time. I've mentioned this before, just because that project was made for regulations. It was tailor-made for regulations, and regulations are coming and are in effect, are slowly coming into the crypto space. You were planning on cutting the dreads off? Yeah, like if they get stuck in a moving car door or train, yeah, I'll chop them off, but that's about it. Technically with dreads you can never go bald. Chat, you know what's funny? My hair was like up to my waist, and when you get it locked, no, it was like up to my elbows, right? It was like elbow length or down to my elbows. But when you get it locked up, you lose so much of your hair length. Check this out. My hair was down to my elbows, but this is like the first or the second week after getting it locked up. Check this out. Look how much length you lose. This is like 2019 and shit. I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna have some long ass locks right now, come in with long hair. Nope, you lose a lot of length because they gotta weave that shit. Cute? Yeah, boy. That was a long time ago. It was before the live streams. It was before I met Don. That was before anything. How does washing them work? Water, shampoo. How did you meet Don? We shared a cell. Did time together. Why you stopped doing breakdance? Because I'm damn near, I didn't stop. It's just I don't go out and practice like I used to, right? I used to practice my whole teenage and childhood and my 20s. From like 10 years old to like 25. You know, you'd go out and practice all the time, and then over time it's just like, what am I doing? I got a life to live. Why am I over here in the hallway breakdancing? You and done in basketball? Me. I'm winning. Do it now? No, you guys see me breakdance. There's videos on my Instagram. Go to my IG. There's a couple of videos of me breakdancing right after the stream with my long hair and everything. Like, я же как хочу и букву хочу. Yeah, that's about right. Show me a jumper. Hell yeah. Do the fadeaway. Did you ever go to jams and battles? Yeah, all the time. When I was a kid, yeah, all the time. Yeah, in Brooklyn, like there'd be like empty churches or empty warehouses where they would hold events, right? I got that dad bod Jokic Doncic build. That's crazy. Slow as shit, but get the job done. I think it's also like different. Like the kids nowadays, they don't break dance. It's like an old school thing. Like they got their own dances and but I feel like my kids have seen me break dance and they're not impressed. They're just like, nah, nobody really does that anymore, Dad. They're not impressed. They're like, all right. All right, so you could spin. You can do the spinning thingy. Oh shit, my joint's outside, chat. My joint is waiting for me. It's 9:44. Before the hourly closure. We got some time. I'm bringing you guys outside with me. Yeah, chat. Chat, I know you don't smoke. I know this. But I'm going to get you high today. Because it's Friday. You ain't got no job. And you ain't got shit to do. See the 15 closed above, making a bottom wick. So is the 30 making a top wick or is the 15 making a bottom wick, right? Which one is it? Who's going to win here? Who's going to take over? By the way, gang, top one trader still running the discount. 57.5% off all accounts. If you're getting a challenge account, make sure you use code WIX. You'll get an extra 25% on your capital and 57.5% off. But if you're getting an instant funded, which is what I tell you should always do, get instant funded. Fuck the challenges. Skip the damn challenge. 57.5% off for an instant funded. Under $500 for a 100K account. Now, where were we? Oh, I was right here. We got red folder at 10. You're right. Thank you. Cooking us up some deals. Yeah, you're not getting 57% off anything anywhere. 57.5% off instant funding. Instant. Not even a challenge. Wow, we're really just sprinting side by side here. Waiting for the news, huh? Waiting on this red folder. Wix, are you going to go back on news trading? I'm going to get more locked in on news after the inauguration. Since the election and until the inauguration, I think we're going to have the same movements of a push and a closure right back in range. I don't think the market wants to drive on news in any direction until it knows what the fuck Papa Trump's going to do. Mad rules on funded accounts. Yep. That's all funded accounts on any company. Mad rules everywhere. There's rules even on your own capital. It's just you're in a much bigger box with your own capital. You trade with Top One? No. Trade a live account. But if I didn't have capital, I would definitely be getting an instant funded account instead of a challenge account for sure. Yeah, for full transparency, I've taken 3 challenges. I've taken 3 funded challenges for content, and I passed one of them. I got a payout on one of them. I got a $6,000 payout from FTMO, and then I failed Alpha Capital, and then yeah, FTMO was quick. I did that shit in like, I passed the challenge phase in 2 weeks, and then in about 10 days or another 2 weeks, I got paid $6,000. Alpha Capital, I passed the challenge, and then I lost on the funding, and then I took a futures challenge to see how the futures work on Top Step X, and I failed that one. But I can say my FTMO payout covered everything, like all 3 of those and more. Like I still made money on the funded. What happened on the futures one? What happens is they get it's different from Forex because they give you a trailing drawdown, right? It works much different. So I was ahead for the day with trailing drawdown, and then another trade brought me back to that trailing drawdown. Was it because of the pineapple rules? No, the futures one was pineapples, yeah. I'm with JOB funding. That's a W. I know you cold if you smoking like that, bruh. Straight cheese. I don't know. I was about to say I don't know if I could get across this fucking phone or this headset how cold it is. You running out of thumbnail ideas? What do you mean? I haven't done the movie thumbnails for a few months. You guys want a new thumbnail? All right, I got you. I think we'll try to get a new thumbnail by Monday. We can hear you blow, Wix. You see, this is where commas are really important. Because we can hear you blow, Wix, and we can hear you blow, comma, Wix. It's two different things. Also, how come you can say that to me? I can't say that to you. If I could say that to you, you'll be pretty upset. We hear you blowing. What's considered cold in Florida? Anything below 75. You gonna be busy this weekend, Wix? New thumbnail and IG story? Yeah. That's a lot of work. If I take that 500 top one plan, it's not a plan, it's a account you buy, and it's yeah, it's a one-time payment. It's less than 500. What's 57.5% off of fuck, I forgot what their full price is. I think it's like it will be like 480 something. We need that in Celsius. I don't know if it's below like 25, it's freezing. I think it's like 72 degrees right now. It's $499 for 100K. No, with code Wix, it's even cheaper. It's another 5% off, so it's like 480. What account size was it on the FTMO account? It was 100K. And, hey, beautiful. I think I started it with, I was doing 0.5s. I had a few trades of 0.5s, and then I went just one lot. Hey, beautiful, how are you? You can't find what? Can't find a skirt? There should be one in your room on the very bottom to the left. Okay, in the corner. When you're right under your uniform, right under your school uniform, the shelves. Go look, there's skirts there. In your closet. In your closet on the bottom. Okay, go look, trust me, I put it there yesterday. Huh? Well, I folded your skirts there, and if not, you can go look at the back of the couch over there. And if you don't see it, just wait for me. I'm gonna come in. My kids are asking, I can't find my skirt. Wix 12 is funny. All right, 9:57 here. Here, baby. Here. Come here, I got your skirt. There you go. All right, go. I don't know, but don't go outside yet, all right? $75, yeah, if it's below 75. -30 where you live? Where you at? Vermont? You in the mountains? Colorado? Ike the Snowman. What's up? Have a seat. Have a seat right here. Huh? You can't go outside by yourself. No. You gotta wait for me. Why? You can go in the backyard if you want. Oh, you're a Cali baby? Well, he's sitting over there in Beverly Hills right now. Why don't you stay with FT? I did it for content. Oh, there's news. News here. That would have been a lovely entry for a buy, huh? This might start coming up heavy. I don't know. We'll see. I did it for content, and then I just went back to trading my live account. You're in the gutters of Cali. Where you at, Mexico? Yeah. Good news for the dollar here. Gold should drop, fundamentally. Will it? I don't know. It's been really fun. We had good news for the unemployment rate yesterday, and it went up. Remember over here, right there. I remember these candles right here. We just started heading up. This was news here, and then we went up. Don't you think it's cool to have multiple accounts or fun? It's hard to manage. Like, I'm trying to make this simple for me and like not a crutch, right? I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. What I'm waiting on right now, I'm waiting for AMP Futures for AMP to approve my my business account, my corporate account, and then I'll transfer funds from my personal to the business account so I could trade under the corporation. Hey, beautiful. You want to go for a walk? All right. What? No, no, no. Have a seat here. Turn on Disney. You need to go brush your teeth. Go, take your shoes off, go brush your teeth, and come back here. Alright? She's over here standing, dressed, shoes on, and everything. This way you only pay. It's just cheaper in the grand scheme of things. Tax-wise, it makes sense, right? The write-offs are bigger. Right, I write off this room in my house as an office, so under that company, so that's how that company works. I get to employ my family and pay them salary. Yeah, good news. There it is. It's dropping for now. XAU USD futures and trade on MT5. Me too, bro. Me too. Ah. We brothers. We happy and we singing and we color. Give me a high five. Family applications out yet? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not trading within these wicks, within this wick here. Within this green wick. I'm gonna wait for us to break out. It's been doing this, exactly this, since the election. It's been, it give you the impression of a drive and then right back into range. My wife does paramedical tattooing business. Elias, can I trade under her? I don't know. Like, I don't know how it would work with that. They did. Amp reached out to me and then they asked me to give them an explanation of what my business does, and I had to write I wrote them like a whole essay on what I do. Yeah, gold doing weird things. There's no need for it, right? There's no need to even risk it, right? You've smashed this week. You smashed today also. There's absolutely no need. What, just for the sake of being in a position? No. This is complete fuckery. That's funny, man. Because doing PMU, and she also does the tattooing, but she tattoos like eyebrows, lips, nipples for women that like have had mastectomies, stuff like that. It's crazy. Agreed. I closed my trading terminal. It's Friday evening. I'm gonna open a new bottle of drink I got over Christmas. That's a W. So yeah, enjoy. You know, you made your bank, right? Now take a long romantic walk to your bank and frolic to it. Shit, skip all the way to the bank, right? So people could be jealous. When they look at you weird, it's not because they think you're weird. It's because they wish they could do the same thing, but instead they gotta walk into their 9 to 5 and struggle, right? So go skip all the way to the bank, frolic to it, right? Even do a twirl. Get it on camera. Get people's reaction on camera. Just because you can. Who's gonna tell you no? Who's gonna stop you? Literally, who's gonna tell you no? Might do a handstand when I walk in the bank today. No, she doesn't trade. Thanks to you, Wix and Clubhouse, I'm profitable now. It's like I've seen the road. I've seen everyone in the Clubhouse. Everyone who's been there since the beginning. I've seen each one of your journeys, like the struggles, the losses, the comebacks, the loss, the wins. It's like it's been pretty fucking incredible watching it. I'm a really big fan of your paper trade for news that you were practicing, if and only if it's a red folder. I agree. That isn't one of our top 5 red folders. And a FOMC and FOCPI, PPI, etc. Man, the CPI and the PPI is where I've noticed that move, right? It's where I've noticed it. It was the CPI, because off that daily low, or off that daily low range, like right here, if we had an entry right there, right, this white line, and if our stops were below the wick here, how many pips is that? It's about 26 pip stops. So you're risking 26 pips for the entire push right back to the opening of the candle. 26 for 47. Yeah, it's good. You're done? Ah, it smells delicious. All right. Did you scrub your tongue? Yeah? High five. Down low. Too slow. Have a seat, lady. All right. There you go. You got it. Got a bottle of Russian vodka. I'm curious how it tastes like. It tastes like fucking rubbing alcohol. This shit tastes like medicine. Wow. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, we're still gonna have our private Asian session on Sundays is still running. We're gonna have that on Sunday, right? And we will do a giveaway on Sunday just for everyone in the Signal channel, right? So make sure if you're in the Signal channel, you have access to the Sunday private Asian session. Show up. If you're not in the Signal channel, this is your chance to join. All right? Before Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Am I done? No, I'm Wix. All right. Yes, I'm almost done. Come on. You want to run the stream? Let's go. Run the stream, baby. See this candle? We're waiting for it to move right here. Can we have a trade if it gives us a closure? Yeah, that's what I'm looking. I'm looking for it to break down to the downside. Break down to the downside. Double negative. Starting a trading club at my college this semester. Going to be a private club. We're going to fund the 10 people we select and use the university funding to get the accounts. I'm going to teach them live. That sounds sick. That's dope. The trading fraternity. Damn. That sounds so dope. Like, I wish I had that when I was in college. When I was in college, it was like MT3 or MT2, and and people didn't know what the fuck Forex was for the most part. Can't afford the signals. Hey, most people, their first trade pays for the signals. Yeah, bro. If I went to college with you, I'd definitely be part of that frat. What do we have going on next week? Is there news? Do we have some lovely news days? We got a speech on a Saturday? Fuck. Earmuffs, baby, earmuffs.
I'm a cat.
You're a cat?
Yeah.
Don't start this. Okay, red folders on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We got red folders all of next week except for Monday. Gonna be a lot of volume next week. Market's gonna be moving. Careful, don't press anything. Wix 12 about to give you guys a position. Gonna set up a clause that keeps it perpetually going by having the best traders of each class continue the tradition to teach and trade. My buddy and I are also gonna take a measly 5% of a trader who joins the club. I mean, yeah, there's something behind there, bro. There's something there. You gotta brainstorm as you do that. As you do that, you're gonna come up with more and more ideas. SL, yo, bro, what should I enter for server? I am a woman. If there wasn't news at 10, would have taken sells in the 5-minute flip at 950. Oh, for you it would have been 50. Oh, 950. Maybe, and no, not after we've done this. Maybe over here earlier, but not after it's already come down here. You would have, I know. I don't see anything in top one written rules where you have to hold the trade for 5 minutes minimum. It's there. I've seen it. I think it's in the facts. Jesus, this friggin' thing just not moving. scratching me? Cat. You think Forex is going to be dead and everybody's going to trade to futures? No, no. I think worldwide Forex is pretty alive. It's just the U.S. and the regulations in the U.S. have made it such an environment where we can only trade futures. And I know the world tends to follow the U.S., but not in most industries, but not in this. Can this come down? Will it reject again? I don't know. I'm thinking of taking this to the signal channel just in case, because it's taking its sweet ass time. And I believe this will drop, but it's still taking its sweet ass time. So I think we can take this to the signal channel. If it does drive down here, drive through here, we will look for positions maybe on the 30 and on the hourly closure. All right, gang, yeah, let's do that. I think that's a good idea. Are my children passionate in trading? No, they could care less. So can everyone else that I know. My family, my friends, nobody gives a shit. Promo code for signals? No, the signals are what they are. Right, you can get either a monthly subscription, a 3-month, or a 6-month, or maybe for the year. I don't remember if there's an annual. All right, we're coming down here. I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm gonna take this to the signal channel. Yeah, I'm calling it here. I'm waiting on this news to plummet. There we go. Breaking through. Wait for a minute. I don't know, man. We can tap this area, pull up. I think we should plummet here. I want a closure. I want a closure. There's been so much fuckery here before. I want a closure. Yeah. Chat. You ain't got shit to do. That's true. It's true. We got 9 minutes for disclosure. Hopefully this shit plummets. We're gonna be in the signal channel if we do take a position. If we don't, have a good weekend. We got over 50 pips on stream today. I think it's good. I don't want to sit here for the next 10 minutes and just ponder. I think we'll take it to the channel. It's been a great week. Been a super week. It already pulled back up to there, didn't it? It just pulled back up to that area. Yeah, if you were quick enough, instead of yapping like me, you probably would have caught it. I think we tapped that area on the 1 minute. Oh no, we didn't quite get there. We got close to there. Chat, I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm gonna take this to the signal channel. We got another 8 minutes till the 1 hour closes here. Yo, thank you for spending the first week of the new year with me. Shout out to everybody that caught some dubs. Oh, chat, by the way, before we dip, we forgot. We got 53 pips on stream here. Spam some fucking dubs. Let's go. Spam the W's. So I can post this dub. We got them within 10 minutes of stream. That 41 pip dub. All right, so spam some W's. Hold on, I got to start my video. Show up to the live streams. They're free. All right, gang. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close here, regardless of what happens, because the news has been funky. I don't want this shit to close all the way back up in range. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and I'll look for top wick entries off the next candle so you guys know what I'm looking for, as long as it doesn't close back up in range. Okay. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream today. As always, Zoom gang, glad to see you here in the new year. Let's do a little flex. Let's go. Hold on, where's our soundboard? Let's do a little. Yeah, let's go. Spartan flex. Everybody flexing over there. I see you. I see you. All right, gang. Zoom gang, I'll see you on the Clubhouse side. Signal channel, stay locked in. And I'll also see you guys on Sunday. Make sure you show up on Sunday for our private session and the giveaway. And everybody else, chat, love and wisdom to you all. I'll see you guys Monday, 8 a.m. sharp. All right, that's our session. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody.